I washed my first house in 1994. I've been doing it ever since. What started as a side job on my days off from the fire department became something a whole lot bigger. A real business built by firefighters for firefighters.
I'm Monica Dingler.
And I'm Mike Dingler.
With Firehouse Pressure Washing.
Half the guys that work here at Firehouse Pressure Washing, I've rode an ambulance with or a fire truck with, on numerous occasions, if not years in a row. So I already know, who's working and what they're doing and how they are and their integrity and their ethics and morals and everything way before they come work for Firehouse Pressure Washing.
Our guys I think they make people feel safe. You show up and you read our profile and you know that everyone's a fireman. It just makes you feel better. As a homeowner, I think I would feel better. I do feel better knowing that someone's coming to my house that, got off work and, saved a little kid the night before. Firemen thrive off of order. There's not a fire station you're going to walk into where you find something out of place. Now, I didn't say they're bunk, but I said the fire station. So here it's almost the same thing.
So back at the fire department, we trained a lot. So we would train, once a day, once a week, whatever, on various things. We do the same thing here. We have a weekly training sheet here at Firehouse Pressure Washing that everyone looks at once a week. And initials, we just pick a topic like, gutter cleaning or roof cleaning or driveway pressure washing. And we kind of go into detail, a lot more than any other company around here probably does.
If you're not hiring Chuck in the truck, if you hire a firefighter, you're hiring a guy that is just really a good guy. He's not a criminal. He's not a drug addict. He's going to show up to work. He's going to do what needs to be done. And really, it's just all I've ever been around. I mean, ever since I was 17, I've been around firefighters. Yeah. So, a lot of them, they don't know how to pressure wash, but they come work with me and they figure it out. And we've got all the best tools and equipment. And, it's very similar to using tools and equipment within the fire service, especially ladders.
Right.
So I know their ladder safety, the
training.
Yes. Yeah. So OSHA and all that really, spells out what I should be doing out there on a construction site or residential site. Mm-hmm. And, firefighters are trained with OSHA and safety. And that's my biggest concern is just making sure everybody's safe. Everybody knows, chemicals that we're handling and all that kind of stuff within hazmat with the fire department. It sinks, It's just really a good fit for a firefighter to be a pressure washer. And there's pressure washing firefighters in every city around the U.S. I guarantee you.
Now we're expanding. Firehouse Power Washing is offering franchise territories across the Southeast. We're looking for the right people to carry this brand into new communities. We're looking for individuals with backgrounds in law enforcement, military service, or other first responder roles. You don't have to be a firefighter, but you need to carry that same leadership, discipline, and service mindset. Many of our most successful owners are retired officers and veterans who lead by example. That background builds trust with customers, and it helps you attract and hire team members who share those same values. We offer power washing, soft washing, roof cleaning, commercial pressure washing, window cleaning. Homes and buildings need maintenance year-round. That means recurring revenue for you.
We have top-of-the-line equipment. We have the best chemistry as far as chemicals and everything that we can buy. I get all of my chemicals and solutions and everything from all across the U.S. We attend the trade shows and everything like that to see what's new out there, what can get something cleaner with less pressure.
You get 25 plus years of systems, training, and brand reputation behind you. You bring the leadership. We give you everything else.
When we show up at a house to pressure wash or a roof to clean or a driveway to wash, anything like that, everyone knows what they're doing before they even talk about it. And that's the same thing that you get at the fire department. Yep. When you're on a fire truck and you get to a house of a medical call or a firefighter or a fire or anything like that, everybody knows their job. We don't have to sit and talk about it. And that's what carries over to our pressure washing job. And it's quite a nice structure that we have now within our company to be able to employ, no one but firefighters and EMS personnel on their days off.
If you spent your career serving your community and you're ready for your next chapter, this is it. We'll walk you through the business model, the training program, and everything you need to know. If it feels like the right fit, we'll meet in person. Visit firehouse-franchise.com. Let's build something together.
I'm Mike Dingler, owner of Firehouse Pressure Washing. We give our all in all that we do for you, and always remember that no one is better with water than a firefighter on his day off.
Franchise territories now available.